to From Me to English.
Thank you for being here with us. If you enjoyed this, please follow and leave a comment to support our channel.
Good morning. Wake up, sleepy girl.
Good morning, Mom. Why are you awake so early?
Because today is a special day.
Special? Special? Is it a school day?
No school today.
Really? Then what day is it?
It's travel day.
Travel day?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
You'll find out soon. First, we need to get ready.
The airplane? The airplane?
We're going by our moving house.
Moving house?
Yes. A house with wheels.
Ooh! You mean the big car outside?
That's right.
We can live inside it? We can live inside it?
We can eat inside. We can sleep inside. We can travel inside.
Wow! So it's a house and a car.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's amazing! Where will it take us?
To a place you know very well.
I know it. I know it.
You've seen it on TV.
On TV? Is it real?
Yes! And today, you'll see it with your own eyes. Okay, let's pack our things. What do we need? What do we need? Let's think. We need clothes.
Warm clothes?
Yes. Yes. And comfortable shoes.
And don't forget a jacket.
Wow. What about things for the car?
Good question. We need cups, a small pot, some food.
Can we cook inside?
Simple food. That's enough.
And blankets. Just in case.
It sounds like camping.
It feels like camping, but warmer.
I like this trip already.
Then help us carry the bags.
careful with that box.
It's heavy. But I can do it. Dad, are you excited?
I am. I like driving. I like driving.
He always does. Here, God.
It's so big inside. It's so big inside.
Everyone ready?
Ready. This will be our home today.
Seatbelts on.
Okay. Kate. Is it far? I can't wait. I can't wait.
Then let's go.
It feels different from a normal car. Can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Of course. Just be careful.
I like this table. It's small.
Small is good. Nothing falls easily.
Dad, are you tired?
Not at all. The road is calm today.
Do you like driving this big car?
I do. It moves slowly, but I like that.
That's why we chose it.
What is it? A real map?
Yes, not the phone one.
It's huge.
Gently. Paper is fragile.
So many lines.
This red line is our road.
Where does it stop?
Here. At this blue spot.
A lake! A lake!
Yes, a big, quiet lake.
Can we swim?
If the weather is nice.
It is nice! Look! Look!
The clouds are moving fast.
It's raining! Ah!
Just a little shower. Don't worry.
Are we still going to the lake?
We will try. But safety first.
This is Sundays. I can hardly see the road.
It's too dangerous. I'm pulling over.
Are we stopping here?
Yes. Just until the rain stops.
But the lake.
The lake will wait for us. Let's make our own sunshine.
It's cozy now.
Now! Who is hungry? Simple dinner tonight. Listen to this crunch.
It sounds very crispy.
And hot soup?
Room for a hungry driver? Smells better than a 5-star hotel.
Yummy.
The rain sounds like a lullaby now.
Will the sun wake up with us?
It will. It never misses a morning.
All clean. Ready for dreams.
And now, the magic trick.
It's a bed now.
Soft clouds for sleeping.
Sleep tight, little explorer.
Good night. Is the sun awake? Ah! The lake.
Good morning, beautiful world. It smells like rain and new leaves.
I'm gonna catch the wind.
She completely forgot what day it is.
Perfect time for the surprise. Happy birthday, my love.
who is here!
I'm here, gone doctor!
Close your eyes. Make a big wish.
Happy birthday!
The biggest piece for the birthday girl.
It tastes like strawberries and clouds.
Best breakfast ever, right?
Squeeze in!
1, 2! 3!
We leave it exactly as we found it.
Ah. Thank you, Mr. Lake. Mas Joanna.
Safe and sound for the ride home.
I'm not even tired.
Let's take this memory home.
Soft snoring.
Heavy little traveler. Safe landing, little bird.
For your next adventure. She will remember.
She will remember this one.
And so will we.